Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting DIY video where we are going to unleash your creativity and talent. Are you excited for the same? Grab all your sheets and the crafting materials and dive into the world of creativity. Just make the patterns using the splits of sheets in this manner. Then you need to get the cutouts of the wings in this way and then the feathers around and then join them up in this form. Again, get the splits. You need to just form them up into the form of this zigzag patterns in this form. You need to cross them over in this direction and further get a tape and further you need to paste them up. On the top you need to put this. Further you need to make the mouth part, the face part, get the eyes pasted and further here get the beak and all in this manner. Further get a sheet again and then you need to fold them up in this form and then paste it on the top of this. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now get the two circles together. You need to press them up in this form. Get the slits and cuts in the circles like this and then you need to fold them up and curl them up in this manner. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Keep on proceeding and let's have a look what are we going to make. Here you need to paste the eyes and then make the beak around. Then here what are we going to do? You need to get the splits and then make it a little curvy. Now here you need to paste the glue and then get them beautifully secured like this. Make the feathers and all. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Keep on proceeding and here you get a sheet and then fold them up in this form from the middle as well and then get the lines formed in this manner. Then with the help of the scissors you need to get the splits and cuts like this and then here what are we going to do? Cut it from the middle at the top. Get them secured in this form and then you need to wrap them up in this portion and then you need to put the mouth part inside. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Now just make the fins and all, paste it in this manner and these are gonna look pretty. Keep on proceeding towards our next item. Here you have to make these patterns of a dragon. Then get a sheet, fold them up in this form and then get a zigzag pattern, fold them up together over the other and then you need to make a chain look like this. Then on the top of it you need to paste these cutouts and this is gonna look pretty. Get a stick pasted as well on the either sides. Pretty cool. Keep on proceeding and here over a cardboard sheet you need to make some patterns like this and then get the cutouts of this creature in this form. Get the cutouts in this form and then make the little holes inside and then you need to paste the dry leaves in this manner further using the holes inside. Just make them studded with these leaves and make it look like this. Now here you have to get the cutouts of a butterfly in this form. Get a tape and then with the help of the stick inside you need to put it around. Further you need to get the straw and get them beautifully secured in this form over the stick. Cute, right? Flap its wings. I hope guys you have enjoyed watching our video. Thank you.